The RSI is the relative strength index. I look at that as a FOMO meter. Let me blow this up a little bit. So look at this white line as neutral, right? You want to be above the white line to be moving, right? But you don't want to be red line in your engine to where you need to cool down. And you see a lot of times when you start to redline the engine, it's at least got to cool down for a little while before you find momentum again. You know, you get up here, we start to redline the engine, we got to cool down before we find momentum again. Now, if we back up, you can see kind of the same thing here. You know, it's got to cool down, but here it did bottom out almost before it kept going. But look at this uptrend. So this is, you see, it's kind of going up and down, up and down. We're below, we're above, we're below, we're above. But look what happened when we really ripped, right? When we really carried momentum. Again, I use this as a FOMO meter. Are people FOMOing or are people paper handing? Down low, people are paper handing. Up top, people are FOMOing. Well, when we FOMO, we cool down, but we remain strong. We're remaining above the middle line. We're remaining strong. So we move until people FOMO again, cool off, but we're remaining strong until people FOMO again. And right now, we may be in another one of those points where we just had to cool off from this 60 plus range from the people FOMOing in, but we may remain strong. So these are just some of the different indicators we can use as to which direction we may see the market go. Does this make sense? Anybody got any questions on what I've been talking about so far? Just showing kind of where we left off on last week's chart and what we're seeing in our own TA. Like I said, I didn't have any of these 4-hour or daily longs that we usually put in here in shorts like this. So I got a couple 1-hour calls I can map out and will map out because they're pretty fucking juicy. But anybody got any questions on the chart or what we've been talking about so far?